This dance is called Another Song. It's a 32 count, full wall, improve a level line dance. Starting on our right foot with a rumba box. So we step right to the side, feet together, step the right forward. Left to the side, feet together, step the left back. Walk back 2 steps, right, left, into a little weave, behind, side, cross. That section once more then. Rumba box, half on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, side, close, back, 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 behind, side, cross. Step the left to the side, step the right beside the left. Into a scissor step, step right, left to the side, right beside the left, cross the left over the right. Make a quarter turn left as you step your right back, step back on the left, shuffle half a turn now to the right, quarter, close, quarter. So that little set of steps once more then, side close into that scissor step, left foot leading. 7, 8, side, close, scissor step, turn, back, half shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Rumba box, half on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, side, close, back, 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 behind, side, cross, side, close, scissor step, turn, back, half shuffle. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right. Into some heel switches. Touch the left forward, feet together, right forward, feet together. Step, lock, step off on the left, step left forward, lock right behind left, step the left forward. Step forward on the right, touch the left behind the right, step back on that left. So that little section once more then, step pivot off on the left. 7, 8, step, pivot, heel and step, lock, step, step, touch, back. So let's add that to the top. Rumba box off on the right. 7, 8, side close step, side close back, 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 behind side cross, side close, scissor step, turn, back, half shuffle, step, pivot, heel and step, lock, step, step, touch, back. Now between those last 2 sections there is the equivalent of a full turn. That half shuffle and then the step, pivot at half. If you wish to try and take those out, as you do your scissor step, you do your quarter turn as normal, step back on the left, same as everybody else. Rather than doing that half shuffle turn, shuffle back on the right, then rock back on the left, recover, and you can go into your heel switches, catch up with everybody else. So as a non-turning option, should you wish to try and take that full turn out. Back shuffle, back rock. So to end the dance then, we've just done our step touch back. We're going into a coaster step, right foot leading, coaster step. Cross the left over the right, step the right back. Shuffle half a turn over your left shoulder, quarter close, quarter. Step forward on the right, pivot a half a turn to the left. End of dance, you start again with your rubber box. So again, there is the equivalent of a full turn in that last few steps. So if you want to try and take that out, do your coaster step, cross, back, do not shuffle half, just shuffle back on the left, rock back on the right, recover, start the dance again. Otherwise, if you're turning, that section once more. Coaster step, right foot leading. 7, 8, coaster step, cross, back, half shuffle, step, pivot. Let's put it all together. Rubber box off on the right. 7, 8, side close step, side close back, 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 behind side cross, side close, scissor step, turn back, half shuffle, step, pivot, heel and step, lock, step, step, touch back, coaster step, cross, back, half shuffle, step, pivot. That's your dance. I'll go through it now with the counts. Rubber box off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So that is your dance, but it is a full dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 balls. Run box off on the right. 7, 8, side close step, side close back, 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 behind side cross, side close, scissor step, turn back, half shuffle, step, pivot, heel and step, lock, step, step, touch back, coaster step, cross, back, half shuffle, step, pivot, side close step, side close back, 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 behind side cross, side close, scissor step, turn back, half shuffle, step, pivot, heel and step, lock, step, step, touch back, coaster step, cross, back, half shuffle, step, pivot, side close step, side close back, 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 behind side cross, side close, scissor step, turn back, half shuffle, step, pivot, heel and step, lock, step, step, touch back, coaster step, cross, back, half shuffle, step, pivot. So that's your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music.
Miles of time,
side close back, back,
or I
back,
can try.
side cross, side close, scissor step, turn back, half shuffle,
How
step,
could we be
pivot,
so close and
heel
then
and
let
step,
it
lock,
all
step,
slip
step,
right
touch back,
away?
coaster step, cross, back, half shuffle, step, pivot,
Right now
side
it
close
hurts
step,
too much
side close
to
back,
find a
back,
melody.
back, behind
Oh,
side
how
cross,
divine.
side close, scissor step, turn back, half shuffle,
To admit this love of life just becomes another song I'll have to write.
coaster step, cross, back, half shuffle, step,
Oh, but somewhere down the road we have this old guitar and a bottle
side
of
cross,
sit down.
side close, scissor step, turn back, half shuffle.
We'll sift through all the memories as we look back on the love we thought we
coast to step, cross, back, half shuffle, step, pivot,
little heart come pouring out, my heart and soul on some lonesome
side, close, sixes step, turn, back, half shuffle, step, pivot, heel and heel, step, not step, step, touch back, coast to step, cross, back, half shuffle, step, pivot,
You
rubber,
don't have to worry if our story winds up on the
side
radio.
close, step, pivot,
I'll change the name so you and I will be the only ones who ever
coaster,
know.
rubber,
When he talks about the love we made and how it felt when I held you tight. It might make you cry to realize just another song I had to write. Oh, somewhere down the road, me and this old guitar and a bottle will sit down. And we'll sift through all the memories as we look back on the love we thought we had found. Little heart come pouring out of my heart and soul on some lonesome night. When all is finally after just another song I had to write. This broken heart inside me will just be another song I had to write.
Hope you managed that one.